This video will walk you through how to get started with the Busy Ant Maths digital programme available on the Collins Hub. When you first log into the Collins Hub as a teacher, you will land on the library. If you subscribe to other Collins resources, these will be displayed in the library as seen here. Select the Busy Ant Maths tile to access the resources. Resources are arranged by year group. Select the year group you are looking to access. Once you've selected the year group, you can choose from Teach, Assessment, Games and Tools, Stretch and Challenge, and Teacher Support. The Teach section contains the teacher-facing content required to deliver lessons and accompanying materials. Each year group is broken down into 12 units, each of which contains 3 weeks of lessons. Click on the plus icon to the left of the unit you wish to explore. This will reveal the weeks included in the unit and what their focus will be. The plus icon can be clicked to expand the week required. Once selected, you will see the resources provided for those lessons. Each week contains weekly planning documents. These include a weekly editable planning grid, as well as a weekly overview that shows prerequisites for learning, assessment opportunities, and tracking throughout the curriculum. It also contains getting started activities for use at the start of that week's lessons, there are 4 lessons with accompanying resources. These will include a lesson plan in both Word and PDF format. Lesson plan will include what resources to use, such as the tools to display, questions to ask, individual activities, and plenary tasks. It will also show you any interactivities you can show on your whiteboard screen. You might also have support sheets, homework sheets, and extension sheets. You can download the file you need by clicking on the icon in question. Where lessons contain interactive tools and activities, these will open in your browser. It also contains a bank of learning activities for use throughout the week. The assessment section contains assessment tasks and tests to support your delivery of the Busy Ant Maths programme. Each year group contains the following: assessment tasks and assessment exercises used to assess individual children's level of mastery in the specific national curriculum attainment target. These will show you exactly what you need to say and do to carry out the assessment, as well as any resources you need to use. It also contains an assessment task record. The assessment exercises contain activities for children to fill out independently, as well as the answer sheets that accompany them. End of unit tests used to assess understanding of the concepts taught in each Busy Ant Maths unit. Pupil self-assessments for each unit. Assessment support that provides an overview of Busy Ant Maths assessment as well as documents to track pupils' progress against the attainment targets. And finally, end-of-year tests that include a paper on arithmetic, and 2 papers on reasoning, all accompanied by mark schemes. The Games and Tools section contains flexible, interactive whiteboard teaching tools and pupil-facing games, as well as games to help children develop mental fluency and basic numerical skills. Both the games and tools are grouped by area, as shown here. When selected, these games and tools will open in a new browser tab, so you can easily return to where you were. The Stretch and Challenge section contains resources that will support in meeting the needs of those who are exceeding age-related expectations by providing a range of problem-solving and cross-curricular activities designed to enrich and deepen children's mathematical knowledge, skills, and understanding across a range of topics. Lastly, the Teacher Support section contains a bank of support materials to help effectively deliver Busy Ant Maths, including planning documents, parent newsletters, curriculum mapping, activity answers, and our Busy Ant Maths calculations policy. If you have any further questions or need any support using Collins products, then please contact our digital support team at education.support@harpercollins.co.uk or by visiting our help and support page at www.collinshub.co.uk/help-and-support.